Hey! You're finally here. It has been a while since we last saw each other. With everything going on in the world, it's nice to just relax, don't you think? As you may know, this will be my last show. We had so many fun adventures together, but all adventures eventually end. Oh! Looks like the storm is picking up. They say it's gonna be a big one. I guess we're gonna be locked in here for a while. You know what? How about we listen to a story to help pass the time? What do you think? Let's see here. Oh! How about this one? Do-da-doo. Alrighty. We just have to wake him up.
What was that? Did you just hit me? I was sleeping. I haven't gotten any sleep since last time.
Good one, Book. Now, I want you to tell me a story.
Again? I tell you the same one all the time.
No! Not that story. The one you haven't told me yet. The one you said you would save for the final show.
Oh, that story.